need spray bottle. I bought this helmet interior clean before a few months back, and since then the bottle was lying empty with me, and it is having extremely good spray pattern. So I am using it to apply this polish as well as a wax solution on my motorcycle. So you will need this. Then one spray applicator sponge. It can be used on bike body parts, metal parts, as well as on tires also. And lastly, to wipe it off, you will need one microfiber cloth. Procedure is extremely simple. Either you can spray directly on your motorcycle or you can spray on this applicator sponge. Avoid using wax based spray or polishes on leather accessories. So give it a good shake and then spray evenly. And then apply uniformly with the help of this sponge. You can either work in a circular motion or a zigzag motion. Do the same on the other side of tank and make sure to cover one part at a time. So now we have used wax based polish, means precisely the Carnuba wax. So it will produce some haze on the surface after 2, 3 or 4 minutes, and then after we will wipe it off. It already started producing some haze, so you can check it with the help of your finger if it is dried or not. So it started drying. So more you buff, more shine you will get. So now we will buff it up with the help of a clean microfiber cloth. Hold your microfiber cloth like this, so you can use fresh surface for every part. You will see there is a remarkable difference in the shine after we done with the wiping. So we are doing only one side portion of the tank, so you will get a clear idea. Now you can see how deep shine it produces after just wiping. If you are having a buffing machine, then the result will be even better. So this side I have wiped it off and remaining is pending. So let me show you the other side also. From here you can differentiate. These are the watermark which will be removed after wiping. This is the hazy part of the tank, so we will wipe it again. So let's do it. I have applied this polish on side panels also, so let it dry. You can see here haze is started forming, and don't wait for too long, otherwise it will be very difficult to remove these wax. Do the same thing on the fender also. So here you can see I have applied and it started producing haze. Little bit of elbow grease and you get the sparkling shiny parts. Now you can see. Apply generous amount on all the pipes, then rear fender, mudguard and connecting subframe. You can apply same polish on band pipe, then engine guard. Don't apply it on aluminium parts because aluminiums do require a different kind of polish. Then end can. So here you can see I am applying it. So this is done just under 20 minutes. So applied everywhere except the aluminium engine parts. So body parts, then tire, plastic part, rubber part, and you can see band pipe also. By the way, all the parts are stock parts only, means factory fitted part only. I haven't changed any panel or any part. This is the 5.5 years old Interceptor. Can you believe this? Only non-shiny part in this entire motorcycle is an engine only. So I will be doing engine buffing by next 15 to 20 days. This is 5.5 year old Interceptor. without any fancy ceramic or nano ceramic kind of coating. But I will definitely recommend you can go for this PPF, because generally what happens whenever using our tank bag, right? So it makes some scratches on the tank. So to prevent that, PPF is definitely recommended on the tank. Otherwise, as such, if you can spend just 20 minutes after every 6 months, then you do not need any kind of fancy coating. You just need one good quality of Carnuba wax, then silicone glaze polish, and that's it. Nothing more than that.